Hi Food Fam, let's make this flavorful yet simple Nigerian yam porridge. For this delicious recipe, we will be using dried pepper, fresh pepper, crayfish, Uziza seeds, also known as yiye in tea, onions, palm oil, seasoning cubes, salt, and of course the star of the dish, yam. I started by cutting the yam into smaller sections then proceeded to peeling it. Peeling actually took a bit longer than I expected because the yam was hard, but regardless, we move. Once that was done, I gave the yam a thorough rinse and cut into bite-sized pieces. Next, I transferred the yam into a clean pot and added enough water to cover it completely. Then I poured in my blended ingredients which I stated earlier: fresh and dried pepper, onions, crayfish, and Uziza seeds. The aroma from this combo is always something else. I followed that up with a generous amount of palm oil. Then I added 4 seasoning cubes and a bit of salt to taste. I gave it a nice stir to mix everything together. Then covered the pot and let it cook. A few minutes in, it started boiling nicely, so I opened it up and gave it another good stir to make sure nothing was sticking and the flavors were combining well. After about 15 minutes, I went in to check if the yam was done, and yes, the porridge had thickened and the yam was nice and soft, just the way I like it. Now it was time to mash a portion of the yam with my turning stick. Not all of it though, because I love to see some yam chunks in there. It gives it that home feel. This consistency right here, this is perfect. At this point, you can choose to add vegetables like ugu, spinach, or scent leaf if that's your style. But for me, I love my yam porridge just like this, rich and spicy without the extras. And that's it. Our simple yet flavorful yam porridge is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot and share with your family or enjoy it all by yourself. No judgment here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share with a friend and subscribe to Zalinas Kitchen Diaries for more easy home style recipes. See you in the next one. Bye.